Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John, John Restoration of Virginia Beach. Got another one for you. 2003 Ford Explorer. Came in all silver. Young lady wanted a color change, so we changed it to a bluish purple. We also added the silver flakes. You can't really see them now because the sun's not out. But it's a blue base with like a purple pearl to it. This one we stripped down, took all the moldings and everything off of it. As y'all see, even though the sun's going down, y'all can still see the wet look. Still see the gloss in it. On this one, we also did the interior over as well. We did it black and gray. Two-tone the seats, two-tone the headliner. Added some black accents to the door panels. And you know, when you do a color change, you also got to do the door jambs, so we did those as well. We also added the headrest TVs in it as well. Also did the third row seat. Like I said, this originally came in silver. We did a color change on it. Our location is 5716 Princess Anne Road, Virginia Beach, Virginia 23462. Give us a call at 757-713-2277 if we can assist you in any of your vehicle needs. We do collision work, insurance work, body and paint, custom paint, factory paint. We also do interior. We do stereos. We order rims and tires. We specialize in old vehicles. If you want an old vehicle restored back to the present time, we also do that too. We also do fiberglass work. As far as fiberglass consoles, speaker boxes, body kits, we take care of all that also. So give us a call at John's Restoration at 757-713-2277 if you're interested in getting your vehicle done. And as all the other videos and pictures, you can go on facebook.com/John's Restoration and check out all the latest events, car shows, videos, pictures, and anything else that John's Restoration has going on. You know my phrase, who's next? Let's go.